Hi viewers, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today we have HP motherboard and the problem is when we connect the adapter you can see the behavior of voltage and ampere. The voltage is getting tripped, so there is some type of shortage. You can see both type C ports are short. It is not getting the power. So we will check now the supply. Sorry, we will check the shortage while the meter will be at diode mode. Here I found the shortage. The 19 voltage was short here in this section near the battery jack. Now we will remove the capacitors and we'll check again if there is any shortage or not. Using the heat gun, I am removing the capacitors first of all that are in the line of 19 voltage. Here are two capacitors. We will remove and check one by one which capacitor is short. Let me check first in the motherboard line. Is there any shortage or not? Here shortage gone. So it means one of these capacitors must be short because as you can see, I removed the capacitor now and the shortage is gone from the board. There is no shortage in the board after removal of capacitor. We will replace that capacitor and our problem will be solved. I checked many sections, all the sections of motherboard, but I was found the shortage in specific this area. I have a donor motherboard from where I will get these capacitors and I will sold in the motherboard and after that I will check again. After capacitor replacement, you can see the value is very good. Now there is no shortage in this line. Now you can see the voltage 19.5 voltage active and the processor sorry, the fan is also spinning. So you can see the motherboard is fixed. So Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you will like the video. Thank you very much for watching again.